How you doing, guys and girls? I hope you're all well. We've got something a little bit different in this video today. As you've probably seen in the title and the thumbnail, it's an unboxing video. I feel incredibly fortunate to be able to do this, and first of all, before I begin, I'd like to thank Gamespot for actually gifting me this. Well, I say gifting me, it was a competition. I won PS4 Pro limited edition. It's really kind of coincidental timing as well, because I was very much torn between upgrading to a PS Pro or waiting till the PS5's out next year. But now, thanks to GameSpot, I don't have to make that decision. So here we have the PS4 Pro. Before I crack it open, the first few things, obviously a lot of you are probably aware of this, but PS4 Pros support 4K gaming, as you can see at the top of the screen there, and HDR. I've seen gameplay on the PS Pro, but I think, well, I might have played it once or twice, but I haven't actually had much of an experience playing the PS4 Pro myself. So I'm really excited to see visually how a lot of games that I play at the moment look in 4K and also HDR, which is the high dynamic range, the kind of visual spectrum, if you will, of colours. So the darks look truly dark and immersive, and the lights are really popping and bright, and all the colours are vibrant on your screen. As you can see, this is of course the Death Stranding limited edition PS4 Pro. It's the latest title that's out by Hideo Kojima. I hope I pronounced that right, but it's absolutely incredible. I haven't played it yet. I've only seen a little bit of footage on it so far, but this is what's included within the bundle, if you will. We've got the PS4 Pro itself with these kind of ominous handprints. Now, if anyone's seen any footage or played the game itself, they'll know that these are the kind of synonymous, I don't know, prints that are left by BTs and characters that are trapped between the two lives and worlds. But I don't want to spoil anything for you. There's a lot that I don't know. I've seen maybe an hour of gameplay footage. Obviously, the main protagonist is Sam Porter, or played by Norman Reedus. People call him Norman Fetus because the little baby down here. We also have a PS4 controller. It's fantastic. Look at that. It's even got the kind of translucent sort of casing that's again synonymous with the baby that you carry around within the game as well. A lot of it will make sense to people that have played it. I might do a gameplay footage, but there's a lot of good YouTubers and streamers that have already done it out there. But that's enough of me. I'm going to crack it open and see what's in here. So, oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. Isn't that something? So I hope that's on the screen there, so you can see that. So it's got some handprints. That's a good size handprint on that. Beautiful kind of finish on the PS4 Pro itself. It's this kind of glossy finish with a matte handprint. I don't know if it's an oil or blood. I'm not too sure what it is. You see that a lot within the game itself. If I turn it on its side here, there's a lovely Death Stranding sort of bit of detail and text on the side as well. That's pretty much it, you know. PS4 Pros are fantastic. I mean, Hideo Kojima has done a fantastic job with this. It's a very kind of new genre almost, if you will. It's a new type of gameplay. A lot of people are saying it's like a walking simulator, but I think it's fantastic. So there we go, PS4 Pro and controller. There's also something else in here that I think's included that I want to show you. Fantastic. So it's the Death Stranding PS4 game as well. It's really good timing because I know my brother's been wanting to play this for quite some time, or since it's come out, and I've seen a bit of footage and it really kind of just, I don't know, piques my interest. A bit of a preface to this game, it's set within, I think it's like a post-apocalyptic America. There's supposed to be this event that's happened, referred to as Death Stranding itself. There's creatures known as BTs. There's no spoilers in this, by the way, this is just my limited knowledge. There's BTs that are roaming the world between the two realms, I think. And you are Sam Bridges, played by Norman Reedus, and you have to deliver certain special items. That's my understanding. A lot of people say that there's kind of clues that it's filmed in Iceland as well. Iceland's this kind of beautiful, barren landscape, and visually this game is absolutely exquisite. So I'm really excited to get stuck in to this. I know it runs on the actual, is it the Horizon Zero Dawn engine? I think Guerrilla Games. Let me try and, what's it called again? Yeah, so I know it runs on the Guerrilla Games engine. Yes, the Decima engine. Guerrilla Games actually let them use the engine for free whilst they were designing this game, and anyone who's played Horizon Zero Dawn knows that it's a visually stunning title. So, you know, really, thank you so much again, GameSpot, for this. I feel really fortunate to have won this. You know, absolutely incredible, and it's the coolest thing by far that I've ever won. Hope you guys like this, and I'll put their social media links in the channel. Give them a little follow or like, and just, you know, just a way of showing appreciation from me at least, if you guys would do that. But yeah, so until next time, guys, take care.